The past few years have witnessed much upheaval in the name of political reckoning. Is the pendulum swinging back to tradition? We have seen over and over in recent years that privilege is in crisis. Undone by guilt, jittery about an authority it is not eager to relinquish, lost in internal conflicts and contradictions, the claim has earnestly worked to rebrand itself, alienated its long-standing constituents, backtracked, corrected, and wrung its hands. This tension is not new. It is, in fact, a defining feature of privilege. Privilege is defined by its exclusivity, insularity, and self-perpetuating nature. It is built on the idea that some people deserve more than others, and some are entitled to more. This hierarchical view of humanity has always been in tension with America's egalitarian ideals. But in recent years, as America has become more diverse and interconnected, this tension has become a sharp relief. On the one hand, we are growing aware of how privilege reinforces inequality and injustice. On the other hand, we have an ever-expanding definition of what it means to be an American. This tension is playing out in our politics, culture, and economy. It is a tension that is likely to continue for some time. And it is a tension that elite private schools are struggling to navigate. So far, they have not always been successful. But as these institutions find themselves at the center of America's ongoing conversation about privilege, they have an opportunity to lead the way in finding a new way forward.